Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In our previous lecture, we have completed the chunks of the code for the gaze system. So right now we will be demonstrating about the code that we have executed earlier in our previous lecture, so that what will be happening to the reticle, whether it's changing its color or not. So let's quickly begin. So let's move to Unity. So in our previous lecture, we have completed the code of these two C# script, that is the reticle, and as well as for the gazeable object. So first of all, you will be moving to reticle over here. So now you will be adding the component because we want to add the component, or we can say we wanted to add the script, that is reticle script. So first of all, reticle, right? So you might remember that the inactive color was gray and as well as the active color was green that we have mentioned in the code. So over here also you can change the color. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can click and you can select the color that you want or whatever you desire for. So over here it says that none game object is selected. So first of all, we will be selecting the game object. We will be clicking it over here. Yes, you can see over here, select the game object. So the game object for us is the reticle. So we have selected the game object. So you can see the reticle has been selected. Now we will be moving towards the object. For example, the object that is right now is our wooden chair over here. So we will be adding the script of gazeable object. Okay. So we have added the script to this gazeable object because now whenever we will be moving towards this particular object, the reticle will be changing its color as we have done in the code. So let's play. Now you can observe over here the reticle got gray because the inactive color that we have written in the code was gray. So while you're moving, you can see that okay, there is no clipping right now because this is the Google VR. So when the raycast is having a cross section towards the Google, we can say towards the collider that we have made, that is the box collider of that particular wooden chair. When it is crossing towards that wooden chair, the reticle is changing its color and it's getting activated. So it changed its color to green. So this was a code that we have done. Whenever we are moving towards or we are interacting with the object, it is changing its color. Now when I'm moving it far away, you can see the raycast over here is moving out of the box collider and it's changing the color as gray. Similarly, when you're moving towards the box collider, you can see that the color is getting changed. So this is all about that we have done with the coding. So we can interact with the objects. Now, when you want to get teleported, we will be using the Unity UI. Okay, in our next lecture, we will be working on Unity UI so that you can be able to create a user interface so that you can create some buttons and you can move here and there. Okay, thank you.